Python is considered one of the world's most popular programming languages and a great place for beginners to learn how to code. However, many online courses can be dense, filled with jargon, and not meant for true beginners. Hi, I'm Nick Wall. I've been a developer for over 10 years and have been teaching students to code for over 7. I'm a self-taught programmer, so I know what it feels like to be a true beginner. In my course, Python for Non-Programmers, you'll be learning Python from square one in a relaxed and fun environment. We'll learn Python step by step with short 5-minute videos explaining a topic and then giving you a quick challenge to make sure you've truly grasped what we just learned. We also apply our learning in this course by creating 3 complete projects: a digital fortune cookie, a word counter, and a number guessing game. So, if you're ready to learn the world's most popular programming language in a fun and beginner-friendly way, join me in Python for Non-Programmers. Let's get going.